In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Asana projects. To start, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and you're on your main dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different sections. One of these is called Projects. Under that heading, you'll find a list of all the projects you're part of. Go ahead and click the project where you want to collaborate with your team. This will open the project in the main area of your screen, showing you the task list or board view depending on how it's set up. Now that your project is open, let's bring in your teammates. Look toward the top right corner of the project. You should see a share button. Click that and a pop-up window will appear. In this window, you can type a person's name if they're already in your workspace, or enter their email address if you're inviting someone new. Next, choose the appropriate permission level for them. For example, you might give full edit access to core team members and comment-only access to stakeholders who just need visibility. When you're happy with the settings, click the Invite button. They'll receive an invitation and gain access to the project. Once your collaborators are in the project, you'll want to organize who is responsible for each task. In your task list, look for the Asana column. If you don't see it, you may need to customize your view to add it. When the Asana column is visible, click on a cell under it to assign that task to a specific teammate. This helps everyone know exactly who owns what. Next, make sure you have a status column or field available. If it's not there yet, add one so you can track progress. Set the status for each task, such as not started, in progress, or completed, depending on how your team works. Keeping these up to date makes collaboration smoother and keeps the project transparent. You can also collaborate inside each task. Click on any task to open it. A drawer will slide in from the right side of the screen, showing more details. At the bottom, you'll see a comment section. Here, you can type updates, ask questions, or share decisions. Use the @mention feature to tag teammates directly in your comments, so they're notified right away. If you need to share files, click the pin or attachment icon in the comment field to upload documents, screenshots, or other resources directly to the task. This keeps all the relevant information in one place, making your Asana project a central hub for collaboration.